container ship collided with tanker. Update separated after 48 hours salvage. June 16 update, after 48 hours work, container ship X-PRESS Mahananda and tanker Burgan were separated from each other. The ships remain stuck together after June 14 collision. They've been towed to a pier in Chittagong, and separated on June 16. Container ship is to be taken to container terminal, to offload all of her cargo. Burgan reportedly will sail to Kuwait after completing repairs necessary for regaining seaworthiness. June 14, container ship Xpress Mahananda collided with tanker Burgan at around 083 LT June 14 in Chittagong Port Channel, Bangladesh. Burgan and ballast was leaving Chittagong, while container ship was proceeding to port, on arrival from Colombo. Both ships, obviously, sustained serious damages. See photo. Channel traffic was suspended. By 1,130 LT ships were removed from fairway, traffic restored. Container ship Xpress Mahananda, IMO 9,348,998, DWT 23,821, capacity 1,674 2, built 2007, flag Singapore, manager Xpress Feeders, Singapore. Product tanker Burgan, IMO 9,656,022, DWT 46,330, built 2014, flag Kuwait, manager Kuwait oil tanker CO SAC.